When you find yourself in the timeline split and you realize you weren't aware, but you recognize that from where you sit, you're not comfortable and you're not good with it anymore. This is when you seek out the lighthouses, you seek out guides, spiritual guides that are rooted and grounded. I wouldn't necessarily seek a therapist because no one is, exempt from this. I would say find your spiritualists. Find those people who are deep-rooted, animists, deeply rooted in indigenous traditions, and fully aware of what's happening that can walk you through these times, because these are trying times, let me tell you, even for, those who have been doing the work for years and are strictly called to this work. The fortification and the core stabilization is real. Discernment. Who are you? Your ancestry, who walks with you? Circles of integrity with people that can lead and guide you, who won't turn your back on you, but won't enable you either. So this is a message for those who look up and find themselves like, oh shit, where am I at right now? This is not working, and that's when, you seek out your medicine men and women, your prayer warriors, your, indigenous communities, so that's just real. You know what I'm saying? Because some people were built just to be that, just to be fully present and aware. So in the power of love, peace, and blessings, it's Sister Ananaku, True Givers Trust. Sawajira.